Here we are seeing the multi-output DC to DC converter for electric vehicle applications. Each load consists of a separate control unit so that all the loads are isolated. Here I have provided multiple batteries with a different state of charge. Initial state of charge 10 percentage. It will be connected at the time period of 0 to zero point 0.5 second, and after that battery is disconnected, another battery of initial state of charge 30% is connected between zero point 0.5 to 0.5 to 1 percentage, sorry, 1 second, and from 1 second to 1.5 second another battery of 60 percentage is connected, 60 percentage initial SOC, and from 1.5 second to 2 second a battery with initial state of charge of 90 percentage is connected. This will be connected as an input supply to the multiple output converter. Here in this, if you see it, this is the SOC and the battery voltage. This is converter input voltage. For different SOCs, different input voltages are provided. For lowest SOC, we are getting input voltage of 30 volt, and for 30% of SOC, 40 volt, and then 45, 50. Like that, we are getting the input voltage and converter input current, converter input power. Here, three control loops are used. For one load, we are providing 50 volt as the reference. For next load, we are providing 100 volt as the reference. For third load, we are providing 25 volt as the reference. So, three loads with three different voltages are provided here, and individual control loops power is provided for regulating the individual loads. In this, if you see, means this is 25 volt load. Okay, the load voltage is to around 25, current is around 2 amps, and this is around 50 volt load. The voltage is around 50 volt and current is around 2 amps. And similarly, here high voltage load, the voltage is around 100 volt and current is around 2 amps. So individual controller is used to regulate the voltages irrespective of change in the input voltage. The input voltage varies from 30 to 48 volt, and output voltage is constant for each load. For load 100 volt, for load 250 volt and for load 3 25 volt. This is the working of single input multiple output converter. Here we can use this converter in electric vehicles where different applications will be used like motors, wipers, lights, musical systems. So different applications are there in the electric vehicle. So we can use this converter in such applications. And even when the battery voltage is reduced, the output voltage will be regulated. So the electric vehicle application will operate under smooth conditions.